Girls, yeah, Mom? I want to tell you that there is this cafe that you should never go to. Never, ever, ever, ever. Why, Mom? Are there, killers or something there? Wow, you're kind of morbid, sis. No, it's a good reason, okay? Very good reason for not going to a cafe, Violet. But that's not the reason. It strictly states that we cannot go. It says that this family cannot go. Yes, and other families too. For very important reasons, I believe. Anyways, would you like to come down for lunch? If not, lunch is in your desk. Oh, and Violet, your lunch would be in your bag. I'm gonna eat it up here. It's only your bag. Remember, we share a bag? Oh, yeah. I kind of want to go there for breakfast. No, I'm eating breakfast in our bag. Ugh. But it's not that bad. Oh, it could be. Yum. I really want to go there. Don't yell. Violet, I really want to go there. Who cares? I need to go there now. I'm so curious. I need to go. Violet, it's for our own safety. Whoever told you that? Mom just stated reasons. Let's go. No, Layla. Layla, Mom doesn't know where we're going. Make up an excuse then. I'm going. Okay. Excuse me, your room is a mess. Violet? Where's Layla? Oh, she went to the bathroom. Your room is a mess. Clean it up instantly. Can we go to the park? Yes, but you have to clean up your room. And get Layla. It looks just like a beautiful cafe. Layla! Oh, so now you change your mind. Okay, you want to come? No, Mom said before we can go, we have to clean our room. I didn't tell you to tell her. I made up an excuse that we're going to the park. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Wait, I need to make my bed first. Okay, now we can go. Wow. So beautiful. I told you Mom was wrong. Hey, did you hear me? I heard you. Let me in. Whoa. Excuse me. You're a dog? Right? Okay, you didn't have to fall on me. I'm sorry, the floor is a little bit slippery. It had just been mopped. Put up some signs then. There is a sign. Up there. Oh, sorry. Anyway, yeah, I'm a dog. This is a cat-only cafe. That's why there are so much cats here. A cat-only cafe? It's cafe. Both of you don't even know how to say it. And you're a dog too. Get out or we might have to call security. What are you, the store manager? No, but I can tell the store owner. Excuse me? This is a cats-only cafe, and we won't take orders from dogs, so please get out of the cafe. Thank you. Growls don't threaten me. You guys are vicious. Yeah, you're not even tame. Who thought making a cat a species was a good idea? Get out of our cafe. We made it for a reason. Just let me look around first. Okay, but we won't take any orders from you. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, sorry. Oh, a dog. I see what's going on here. So, as you might know by now, that we're a cats-only cafe. It would be nice if you could leave. No, we're staying. Listen, what my sister is trying to say is that we're staying. Do you think I cannot explain my words? I'm just trying to help you. We're staying, and that's that. Okay, but we're not gonna take any orders from you. Okay, sorry about that. So, what are you ordering? I would like a strawberry milkshake with milk on top. Okay. on top of the cup? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll take your order. Oh my gosh, that is something to gossip about. We should gossip about her. Because she didn't do anything right. Oh my god, girl, you're taking my place. Yeah, girl, she's such a gossip thing to gossip about or something like that. Okay, I'm here. So, you would like me to take your order? No, I'm just wondering what this is for. To get away from the vicious dogs we hate. Cool. Listen, I would like to protest. This is enough. Enough. We're all equal. Get your whole gang of dogs. We will. We've had enough. Are you crazy or something? We've had it. I agree. You unsmart feline brains. You're weak. Don't you guys think that was a little harsh? I agree. I agree. I agree. I guess I agree. I agree. Ugh. I guess we agree. What? No. I see. I have done a bad deed. Avery. Coming! This cafe is for everybody.